Here's a quick guide showing you how to turn on Enhanced Safe Browsing in Google Chrome for stronger online protection. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your phone or computer. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, and then tap Settings. On desktop, the Settings panel will open in a new tab. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. This section controls your browsing safety features. Now, tap Security. Here you'll see Google's safe browsing options. No Protection, Standard Protection, and Enhanced Protection. To turn it on, select Enhanced Protection. This feature gives you faster and stronger protection against malware, phishing, and dangerous websites. Chrome will proactively check downloads, extensions, and URLs before they can harm your device. With Enhanced Safe Browsing enabled, Google can warn you about password leaks, block harmful sites more quickly, and detect suspicious behavior in real time. It's the highest security mode available in Chrome. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Enhanced Safe Browsing for maximum protection in Chrome.